Today we will be showing you how to replace an HP 5300 series hot swap tape drive. This replacement video will cover LTO, DLT, and DDS or DAT tape drives. Before the drive swap takes place, you should always check to see if there is a tape in the faulty tape drive. If there is, please attempt to use the eject button on the front of the drive to eject the tape. If it fails to eject properly and the tape is stuck, you will need to manually remove your tape from the drive once you have completed the replacement. Depending on what drive type you have, please see our different videos about removing stuck tape from LTO, DLT, or DDS and DAT tape drives if you have any questions on how this process works. Once you have verified that the drive is clear of any tapes, it will be time to replace your tape drive. These drives are hot swap, which means the enclosure does not need to be powered down for the replacement to occur. You will, however, need to set the SCSI ID on the back of the replacement drive before you install it. To remove the drive from the enclosure, you will need to locate the tab on the right side that holds the drive in place in the enclosure. Push down slightly on the tab and then pull forward. The tab will come unhooked and you can pull the drive towards you and it will release from the enclosure and you can remove it completely. Now it is time to install the replacement drive. Carefully line up the replacement drive into the empty drive bay and gently push it in until you feel it make contact with the connector. Once you feel the drive start to seat itself into the connector, push firmly to seat the drive completely and swing the tab closed and click it into place, securing the drive into the enclosure. You will now need to reconfigure your host machine and backup software to be able to use the drive you just replaced. We will not be covering reconfiguration of host machine or backup software in this video. Any questions should be directed to your host machine and backup software support or manufacturer. If you are having any issues with the replacement drive being seen by the host system or the drive is not powering on correctly, please open a ticket through the Rocket Plus customer portal. Thanks for watching. This has been another video by the Top 10 USA Video Production Team. We look forward to sharing more content with you going forward, so please check out our YouTube channel and please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new piece of content.